Hello and welcome. We're gonna solve three challenges of the web exploitation, the easy difficulty on PicoCTF. Let's go. We're gonna start with SSTI1 first. Okay, we might want to try this basic payload. This will output 49 if it was vulnerable. And it is vulnerable. Okay, so it's an easy one, so we just search for SSTI payload to RCE. We're likely using the Jinja template, so I think we are. If we are, this will work just fine. We can maybe try this one. This should output the yes, it works. Okay, now we need to find the flag. Okay, so maybe we just open a notepad. 1 second. Okay, let's say we have to edit this command right here, so maybe do ls the root directory. We can see bin boot challenge dev. Okay, it's likely challenged. Let's add it here to the ls so we can read what's in there. We have the flag, we have requirements.txt, we have app.py. Okay, let's change this to cat to read the flag and add the flag right here. Okay, easy. Now let's go for this book Marklet, and we will have local authority as well, but let's go for book Marklet first. I already solved those before, but we're gonna solve them again so I can show them on video. Why search for the flag when I can make a book Marklet to print it for me? Press here. Okay, we have an encrypted flag. Let's check the page source. The decrypted flag, we can decrypt it. Okay, encryption and decryption can be done easily using ChatGPT or DeepSeek. What? Does this actually work? Oh my, so easy, bro. Thank you, ChatGPT. It didn't even talk. It just gave me the flag. Okay, local authority. We can go to the website right here. Ask your customer portal, only letters and numbers are allowed, so let's try it. A legal character. Okay, let's check for the page source. There's nothing here except the CSS file, nothing in it. Okay, let's go maybe check this page. Okay, we have style.css, secure.js, and some code. Oh, the filter code. Okay, and the data we entered. Let's see secure.js. Okay, we have the username is admin right here. It's hard-coded, and the password is super strong password. It's strong password actually, not super. Let's test it, and we have the flag. Great. Okay, I'll see you in the next one.